morning. Welcome to Keshav Memorial Institute of Commerce online classes. Today's topic is simple and static functions in C++. These simple functions and the static functions are entirely different. Simple functions are uh, like this. Simple function member functions is instance member functions, you can say, which is accessed by only with the help of object. These are also called as non-static functions. The member functions values maybe depends on the object. These simple functions are divided into two types. One is constructors as well as normal functions. Now see here, you can see the example. In this example, we have two functions. One is demo is a constructor, and one more is hello is the normal member function. Here in this member function, this is a class demo function, and this is a constructor. As you know, what is constructor means, a constructor is same name as its class name. So in this normal member function, it is having return type. Constructor does not have any return type. Alright, now it is having return type. Now here I'm trying to access that members of that class from the main function. Here what I'm doing is just I'm creating a main class. In this main class, here we are taking like a demo d, and d dot hello means we can access only that member function. In this, coming to this place, here I'm trying to access it. Yes, now we are creating only object and I'm not accessing this. Only constructor part of is executed, but we are not called any hello function. That is the reason it's not displaying anything there. Now here I'm calling that function also with the help of this object and member operator. Now we can see the output of this hello function, that is called welcome to simple functions in demo class. Now we can see this. The output of this thing is, this is the way to access constructors as well as and member function. In further classes, we are going to discuss in-depth concepts about constructor and everything. Now I'm explaining the differences between simple function and static functions. All simple functions are non-static functions, and these functions are static functions. Now I'm going to give a small idea about the static functions. In these static functions like this, static functions is a member function, is a special member function which is used to access only static members. Any other normal member function cannot access through these static member functions. In declarations with the help of a static keyword, you make it independent of any particular object of your class. It's not belongs to any one of the object. Commonly you can access it. Static member functions can be called even if no objects of the class exist. The static functions are accessed using only the class name and scope resolution operator like this. The static member functions can only access static data members, other static members of member functions, and any other functions from outside the class. Now see the example here. In this static member function is also called as a class function, but it is not associated with any class object. We can access the static member with the help of the class name, just what we see here. In this example, we can see that the static hello is a static function. Now we'll get into the example. In this demo class, we have two functions. Both are non-static functions only, hello and show. You can see this. This is the output we are able to access. Now what I'm doing is I'm converting hello function as static. Even though we can access with the help of object itself. Now see, this is a static function. We can easily, the same output we will get as usual, previously what we were getting. Now here what I'm doing is, here I'm trying to access with the help of class name, which functions can be accessed from outside the class without creating an instance for that. Now here I'm putting into comment line the demo creation of object. Here I'm trying to access with the help of class name. That class name followed by scope resolution operator. We can access the member of it. So here simply we will get the output for this, but we will get some error. That is D. We are trying to access with the D, right? There is a giving error. Now I'm trying to access that non-static function also with the help of class name, but this will not be. This is not possible to access. Which is one show function is not possible to access. This is the error. Means it is not a non-static members. We cannot access from outside the class. That is the reason it is not able to access. That is static members means that is easy. It is easy to access from outside the class. Now here, to access this show function, we're supposed to create an object, and with the help of object only we can access that instance functions, whereas static functions cannot. Now see, we will get two outputs as it. So this is the difference, the slight difference between simple functions, instance functions, and static functions. Thank you. Thank you for watching.